Staff. Hi, this is Anshu, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, October 18th, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 68 degrees. Later today, we're expecting a high of 73 and a low of 47, with partly cloudy skies and showers. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Hamza, Bell.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports. Last night, the Bulls lost to the Charlotte Hornets by a score of 108 to 104. The Cubs will play Game 3 against the Los Angeles Dodgers tonight at 7 o'clock. And the Blackhawks will play the Philadelphia Flyers tonight at 7:30. Clubs meeting today are PBIS Ambassadors at 11:45 in the music room, 6th grade First Lego League in room 208 at 3 o'clock, 4th, 5th, and 6th grade Boys Run Club in room 112 at 3 o'clock, Game and Conversation Club at the library at 11:45, Puzzle Club in room 110 at 3 o'clock, and tomorrow morning, Chess Club in the library at 7:45. Today's announcements are: Miss Young would like to remind students to turn in your band buddies permission slips. And 5th grade band and orchestra starts today after school. Now please watch this cool tool video.
Nithya and Alina are on the balance beam.
Alina, stop messing with me. Get her. Sorry. Can I return? Sure. Kira, get on. I'll get off. Okay. Alina, you need to be more careful next time. You can get hurt. So keep your hands to yourself. Okay, I'll try not to do that next time. Okay. Remember to keep your hands to yourself.
Now a message from Mr. Smelcher and Miss Ankrum. In honor of
Thank you, Anshu. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Hopefully you're having a great Tuesday. Good morning, Mrs. Ankrum. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. We had a late night last night with a PTA dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Did you have a good time?
I did. It was fun and delicious food.
Yes, the chicken was delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Anything new? Do you have any announcements or anything?
I liked the vegetables too.
I ate my carrots, but not my cauliflower.
You don't like cauliflower?
Not cooked.
No.
Anyway,
That was
any
good.
announcements?
No, I thought everybody did a really nice job of walking in this morning, so thank you for that.
Awesome. I was running a little bit late, so I missed that. A couple of reminders. Students, I know that you've all gone through some goal setting with your classroom teachers, so remember to work towards those goals, try your hardest, and do your best. And, gosh, Halloween notes went home yesterday. Make sure that your parents get those. We want everyone to follow those rules regarding Halloween just so that we can all have a safe Halloween party here at school. And I think that's all I have for now. Have a great day. Or not. The choice is yours. I'm sure we'll have some questions.
In honor of Principal Appreciation Week, we asked 2nd graders what is the hardest part of being a principal. Here are a few of their answers.
Oh, I thought I had an answer.
Sometimes they have to be in 2 places at one time. And they have to control all of those kids. We asked the 3rd graders what is the easiest part of being a principal. Here are a few of their answers. Principals have to have a good memory, and they get to have an office, and the students only get a desk. And they get to rule the school and get soda from the teacher's lounge whenever they want.
Well, I'm not sure about ruling the school, but I do get an office. I do get soda when I want, but I do pay for that. And actually, I try not to drink it. So those are great answers, though. So thank you for all of the great answers and questions so far. Look forward to it. Thanks, Anshu.
Thank you for all you do, Mr. Smelger and Miss Ankrum. Here's today's interesting fact. Did you know that today is National Chocolate Cupcake Day? It reminds us that sometimes it is more than acceptable to have a piece of confectionery delight that we simply don't have to share with another person. So find yourself a cupcake and make it disappear. Just be sure that it's chocolate. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the third graders in room 113. Have a terrifying Tuesday.